So on my second channel, one of the most common things and common requests people have is how can I save the most amount of storage for my iPhone? And in my experience, the most the people already know, like you already know, cleaning out your applications, deleting this, deleting that, that is pretty much the fastest way to fix your iPhone storage for the most part. But recently on iOS 15, there has been so many different storage bugs and storage issues that many people have been having that personally I've also been having on a lot of my iPhones across the board. And what I did to actually fix this is actually really funny. So right now on a lot of my older iPhones, and about a couple of weeks ago, I couldn't even install the latest update that was maybe like 900 megabytes on my iPhone 6S, 6S Plus, or iPhone 7 because I didn't have enough storage on those devices. And I very rarely use those phones. And what ended up fixing it for me and how I fixed it for the most part, and this is going to sound so basic, but I pretty much made my way over to my iPhone settings. I scrolled down, I clicked general, I went into iPhone storage, and I saw that a lot of my storage was pretty much taken up by my system data, and my iOS storage as well was taken up by system data, things like other storage or system storage or whatever the case is. And the reason that was happening was because of some random iOS bug, and I couldn't even update my phone to fix that in the first place. So what I ended up having to do, and apparently the newer iOS 15 updates have fixed it, but I couldn't do it on some of my older iPhones. So what I ended up having to do, and even more recently on my iPhone 12 and my iPhone 13, believe it or not, I had to go and factory reset my iPhone. But before I did that, I made a complete backup of everything on my device. So do not, delete anything from your phone until you've actually done a full backup of your iPhone. So either plug it into a computer, do a iCloud backup, or whatever you want to do. Just make sure you have everything backed up on your iPhone before continuing on. Then what I did was I pretty much factory reset all of my iPhones across the board. And when I did that, I was able to come back into the home screen. And what I did then was I just went through the normal process of booting up my phone, and then I chose the restore from backup. So I restored from a backup. So I immediately went back and restored everything, all my previous apps and data to my iPhone that I currently had. And at that point, I had enough storage on my device to go through and click on software update on my general tab and pretty much go and update my iPhone to the most recent version of software that was available. Now, the newer iOS 15 updates, as far as I know, have fixed a lot of those storage issues, but the problem is a lot of people are not updating to the most recent version of software. So they may have just updated to iOS 15 or 15.1 or something, and we're in 15.2 right now. So you have to update, and if you have enough storage on your device to update to it, I would recommend updating to that software version. If not, you can do what I did, just back up your iPhone, factory reset it, restore from that backup, and then go ahead and update your iPhone if you have the ability to. And that's really pretty much how I fixed it for me. So if you guys have any other questions or anything, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.